Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting the essentials: your WeChat ID, the phone number tied to the account, and a clear photo ID. Once done, take screenshots of the block message and any related chat evidence so you can prove context. Make sure your secondary contact, another phone or email, is ready because WeChat support often needs an alternate channel to reply. Don't delay. Initiating the appeal immediately preserves timestamps and shows responsiveness, which speeds up resolution. You now file the formal appeal through the app or web support form. Attach your ID, the screenshots, and a short, factual timeline explaining what happened and why the block should be lifted. Once submitted, complete any verification steps they request swiftly. That might include a selfie with your ID or a verification code. Make sure to follow up politely by email if you don't hear back in 48-72 hours, because persistence paired with clear evidence often moves cases forward. When you get a response, read it carefully and act on any requested actions. Complete further verification or clarify details. If the appeal is denied, ask for the precise reason and what evidence would change the decision, then resubmit with targeted proof. Meanwhile, make practical checks. Reinstall the app, try logging in from another device, and test on a different network to rule out local issues. If nothing helps, escalate politely to higher support tiers and document every interaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.